Hello. We're going to execute this exercise, which is working with different data types. Um, we're going to copy this code and place it to the new query. According this in this exercise, uh, we have employee details and its columns: ID, first name, DOB, hire date, marital status, and so on. And each column has its respective data type. For example, in column ID, we have integer type, and that data type, the integer type, stores 4 bytes of data. And the next is first name and last name, which is both and var character. In this column hold the first name and the last name of the employee. If you have varying length data for value for columns such as names, you need to use nvarchar instead of nchar. So varchar supports long characters and depends upon the size that we are going to declare. For example, here we have 70. Maybe first name might have 20 characters or more than that. The OB, this column holds the date of birth of the employee. This column holds the date value. The data type of this column is date. A data type is storage size of the date. Data type is 3 bytes fixed. So it consists of type of date, date type. Higher date, same as the DOB. Marital status. This column holds the marital status of the employees. This column will hold the fixed length value, either M for married or S for single. The data type of this column needs to be nchar1. So nchar is the opposite of nvarchar. Nchar, it supports only one character. So in this table, it allows only M for married or S for single. We are not allowed to enter value by the word married completely because it just allow a single character. The same as gender, same as the marital status. It might be M for male or F for female. Salary, money. This column holds the employee payment amount. As this column holds the currency value, the data type of this column is money. Pay frequency. This column holds the frequency of payment of the employee, as this column will store the payment frequency, which is a numeric value, either 1 or 2. The data type of this column is tinyInt. The data type tinyInt has a length of 1 byte and stores value from 0 to 255. Vacation hours, small int. It allows the data which has a length of 2 bytes. Shift and shift in time, out time, same as mm, update, but it accepts time data, modified date, date time. Modified date, this column holds the date and time the employee record was last modified. As this column holds both date and time value, the data type of this column is date time. The storage size of the date time data type is 8 bytes. Resume XML. This column holds the employee resume. As the resume is in XML format, the data type of this column is XML. Data type helps you to port your data across platforms. So we're going to execute this. And now we successfully created the employee details. So we're going to refresh this database and navigate to this database, the table, the employee details here. So let's see the columns. Here's our columns. Now next we're going to proceed in this statement. Here we are going to insert values in these columns that we have created in the employee details. Open the new query. So here I'm going to set the indentation in the proper way. So we can understand the codes here. I think I couldn't here. In the ID one, we will place Harry as a first name, Wilson as last name, date of birth, which is the um, date date type, salary type, money type, pay frequency. So we're going to execute this code. So one row selected. And we're going to look at the record of the employee details. So here's the result. We have now ID1, which is the integer type. Harry and Val, where are the variable characters. Date date type, money type here. The character type the vacation hours. Let's look at this. Let this query. Small, tiny int and small int. So that's it. Thank you